Guys, we are starting on the downpipe install today, plus I had to go grab some new car parts. I had to go grab some new parts for the car, so car parts. Alright, let's start the video.
I think I had enough, all this money got me acting up. Niggas be mad as fuck, cause they know I gotta bag it up. Niggas be mad as fuck, I gotta bag it up. Niggas be mad as fuck, I gotta bag it up.
Whoa! Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to today's video. So much energy from your boy, I can't even believe it. Lately, I've been listening to Russ, and a lot of people do not like Russ, but the reason I love Russ so much is because so much respect for the dude. Russ was brought up on such a big scale, and how he came up, his whole story, everything. He's a great storyteller, and that's why I love his music so much. Like, respect for the guy. Everybody hates on Russ, and I'm sorry, but, you know, the boy's just... I'm rolling. The boy's just dope, and I freaking love him, and I think his music is great. He's a very talented guy. Aside from the music part of things, you guys know I love music, and it's really a big part of me. I listen to it every day. You know, we always do music, guys. First things first, for this video, I went and copped some hardware. This lighting being weird, but I want the car. Okay, so I went out to Reflected Image Motorsports, went and copped some. This is like a hardware kit, Subaru FA Jpipe hardware kit. Now, I was told by one of you guys to go cop this because the turbo studs are actually very, very trash for the FA motors. So I got these, but here is what's interesting, is I'm not gonna actually install the studs if I don't have to, and I was recommended by my tuner to actually do that. He told me what a pain in the ass installing studs are like, and so he recommended me to do a certain process to actually use this kit in the best way possible, so then we don't have to take out the studs. Sorry, there was a loud truck driving by. Either way, guys, I copped this. Sure, a lot of you guys are gonna be very excited that I did, and if you guys have not installed the J-Pipe on the FA 2015 Plus Subaru WRX, cop this because you're gonna need it, because the studs are trash, and I probably should get some anti-seize grease as well for when I reinstall. Okay, we'll go over this later. Let's watch the whip, guys. It's been dirty for way too many days. If you guys do remember, you know, Instagram posts, TikTok posts, outside of YouTube, you guys have not seen the car and it's been extremely dirty. So today I'm gonna do a quick spray off, get it clean, and then I have to actually run down the street to go buy something else. So we'll stay, yeah, just give me a minute to watch this. I don't have my famous filmer with me today, so we're doing it by ourselves, and all the blood's going to my head. Yo, quickly before we start this video, as you guys notice, I'm wearing the D&M shorts. We are running a quick 10% off. Actually, we're doing $10 off. So if you guys would like either or the black camo, we're doing $10 off on the street shorts. Go to the website, first link in the description. Enter the code TEN10. That's the discount code. It's gonna grant you $10 off your new street shorts. Go cop. All right, let's wash the whip. I'm sure you guys will not guess where we're at now. Let me just show you. Boom. Yeah, we're at Staples. Now, the reason we're here is because I'm grabbing a calendar. Lately, I've been writing everything down, and it's really been helping me try to get everything out on time. So I'm gonna go try to find a better calendar. Let's do that. Let's just do that. So I noticed we only got 2021 calendars. They also said the store location is closing, so the only other location is Riverdale. I don't really want to drive to Riverdale. All right, boys, time to boost. Oh my gosh, the pops. This person is blinkering, but they're not getting over. Get over! Oh my gosh, turbo flutter for days, boys. I love it. I absolutely cannot wait to open up the exhaust. I know I say it every video, but it's coming. It's coming. Yo, I love this car, man. If you guys don't have an all-wheel drive boosted car, it is absolutely amazing, and I highly recommend it. So much fun, especially for the streets. I mean, it's not, yo, what up? It's not like some crazy 650 wheel horsepower car, at least at the moment, but it is very fun for the 0 to 60 average daily driver. People to get that a little mixed up. You have to remember, the reason we have these import cars that are slow, you know, we don't really have the goals of hitting 1,000 horsepower, you know what I mean? If you want that, you choose a different platform, have a totally different build, and take it to a track. Here we just be ripping the streets because it feels dope, feels fast, and looks cool. Oh my gosh. Now, like a good boy that I am. Wow. Now, like the good freaking Samaritan. Nah, dude, I need a shave. Whoa. Wish I had more places to prop my camera, honestly. It's kind of becoming a struggle. Like the good Samaritan person, classmate, yeah, student that I am. I was on my first day yesterday of the class that I'm taking, and it's an actual virtual campus, which means that we use the app Zoom to communicate to everyone and have like basically a giant meeting. Guys, I'm in class. And all of a sudden, this dude, well, these two kids joined the room and just started screaming. And we were like, just everybody in the class just kind of stopped and looked and listened. And then all of a sudden the kids started saying, all right, who in here likes politics? Who likes politics? Raise your hand. And dude, I just couldn't tell if this was real or what was going on. And then his other homie that joined with them started playing this total explicit remix. It was like a Lil Mosey explicit to the max remix, talking about ding-a-lings and putting them places and very, very bad vulgar stuff, and he blasted it. Guys, I'm sitting here laughing my butt off because I thought it was so funny, and I just look at all the other classmates and they're all and the teacher's like dude, it was the funniest experience ever, my first day of class, and this is what happened. It was so freaking hilarious. I had to tell you guys because I knew I was gonna record it, but I knew that whoever was doing it was definitely recording, so I knew, you know, I was like, and I didn't want the teacher to see me recording, and then, yeah, I don't know. So I didn't record it, but I really wanted to, and I figured I'd just tell you guys about it. Over here is a very special container, and this is going to make the process of this baby. Yeah, I got my my dang-langs on, and yo, this is the black camo, so you guys already know we're running a $10 off on these shorts. The black camo or the all black, use the discount code 10 at the checkout, and I'm giving you guys free shipping and $10 off. That is so amazing. You right? You feel? I agree, bro. Well, we should get you a pair. PB Blaster is going to make the process so amazing, and I had to stop and get a can of this on the way home because we totally ran out. I believe we're out of WD-42, but PB Blaster is definitely the move. And with that being said, I hope you guys can determine what I'm gonna say next. Yes, the downpipe. Hold on, this is my favorite part. The downpipe. I keep saying that. And I was just sitting there talking to someone in the comments earlier saying, yo bro, it ain't a downpipe. It's a J-pipe. Guys, the J-pipe is getting installed tomorrow. Who is texting me? You said you were installing the J-pipe tonight. I know, I wanted to. Ivy. We also have some things we want to go put on her car this week, so I know I've been saying that for a while, but we're gonna get to it. First comes the J-pipe. With the J-pipe going on tomorrow, I really want to take the PB Blaster, get the bolts we need to soak, mainly these 4. Okay, is there 4 or is there 5? There's 4. These 4 are the biggest pain in the butt, and it's either, I think it's this top one right here specifically. It's so terrible. I found a homie, he said, basically take off the heat shield. It's gonna make it a lot easier. Either way, when we dig into it tomorrow, I will further explain what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna do it, and yeah. But here is what my tuner recommended me, because I was talking to him the day we went over. Guys, so much information. I feel like I haven't made a video for a while. Okay, so the day we went to get the pre-dyno tune, I talked to my tuner forever. I'll just give you all that information in a separate video. There's way too much, but for now, basically what he told me to do is, he said the best way to really help with the whole turbo and the studs and everything, basically I'm gonna soak them tonight, and then by tomorrow morning, the car will be cold, the bolts will be soaked, we will get up, we're gonna go drive the car around, kind of get it warmed up, but not hot. Not hot. If we need, I have a torch. It's right here. Whoa! Alright, there's a reason that was hidden, but I still tend to find it, so enough talking, let's just get to this because I'm sick of freaking talking, and the Subi's looking good, so I really want to show it to you guys. Like, I don't know if it's just the lighting or the way she's squatting, but, oh, downpipe's in the way. Check it out. It sucks because my car's low, so we gotta put this down, drive up on it to be able to get the jack underneath and able to lift up the car. Gang. Realizing I'm gonna pull the car in just a little bit more so we're not on a slant whatsoever. I mean, it's not dramatic right there, but it's definitely a lot flatter in here. Probably just line this up right now. About right. Her. That took a lot of work, but we got her done. All right, we got the one jack stand right there. I'm looking at the J-pipe. It's a little longer than I thought. Basically, this part's pretty self-explanatory, but can't really see, but there's 2 bolts right here on the back that I'm going to PB blast. And then following the pipe, all the way up to the turbo where, oh my God. I can't see the turbo. It's covered by a plate, so guys, looks like we might be getting started tonight. Let's go! God, this vlog's gonna be crazy. The car is officially lifted up off the ground on 2 jack stands with the jack remaining underneath for safety. Always do that. Let's slide underneath the front end. I'm not necessarily gonna make this a how-to tutorial because there's plenty of videos out there. This is just for sheer entertainment and to see the little J get installed. Now, we refer to the J-pipe as Lil J. One of my subscribers, Rokus, has officially gave the J-pipe the name Lil J, so we're installing Lil J. That's mainly what this little project series is all about, is our boy Lil J over there in the box. Okay, as long as we're on the same page, let me grab some tools right over there, start digging into this. Okay guys, quick little update. Basically have to just take off this inner liner. Clips go all the way up the sides. I don't know if this is how you do it exactly perfectly right, but you know what, we just basically just drop it out, and then we have access to, as you guys can see, this skid plate. Yo, there's my turbo inlet. Yo, it's looking sick under here. I haven't been underneath here for a while, so it's gonna be nice to kind of recheck it all out. Okay, let's get the skid plate off. There's 1, 3 more to go. Alright guys, whew. All bolts are out, plate is ready to come out. My car's not even that low. There's a few scrapes on the bottom, so I recommend actually keeping that scratch plate on your car. Even when we take it off, I'm probably gonna put it back on just to protect, you know, the car. So it's not that heavy. It's heavy, but it's not that heavy. Alright guys, so here's underneath the car. As you guys can see, turbo inlet is here. Boomba bypass valve is connected up on top. Here sits the twin scroll turbo, looking super, super huge. It's really not. Don't let me fool you. Continuing on over here, you have the beginning of the J-pipe. There's going to be a few O2 sensors. As you can see, there's one right there, and then there's another one over here on this side. And these bolts right here are the ones that are going to be a pain in the butt. And then as you can see, the J-pipe goes all the way down to right here. And then there's even like a little middle section a little bit further down. This is where little J is gonna be going. We got the headers right here. We do need to upgrade those. They're looking a little stock. You know, look up in here, you can see the BC Racing coilovers. They look super dope, but let's get to PB blasting the bolts right here on the turbo and the 2 on that end, and we'll be ready for tomorrow. All right guys, the car is ready. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the install. Peace.